Hopefully you timed the top. Markets aren't looking great right now, but if you did, you're probably sitting on a nice pile of stables. USDC across a few chains, just sitting there. And that's the thing, why are we just holding these tokens? Why aren't we using them? Right now you've got USDC in a wallet and you're still connecting your bank account to pay for Netflix, pulling out a credit card for your newsletters, your trading signals, your course subscriptions. We have USDC, but we can't use it for the things that we actually pay for every month. Autopay changes that.
Here's an example project that integrates autopay subscription checkouts. Sign in via the auth provider and check out the subscription, then redirect to the autopay checkout automatically. Register an autopay wallet using passkey and authorize the policy manager to be able to pull USDC. We don't have any funds yet, so let's bridge them over from another account I have funded in MetaMask on the Sepolia network. This uses Circle Gateway to support over 12 blockchains, making on-ramping seamless. Amazing. Now we are funded, let's finish off setting up our subscription. Once the policy subscription has been created, we are redirected to the merchant's front end, where it verifies the transaction via the SDK helper, and future backend checks are done via the webhook. Navigating to the dashboard after a few minutes, we can see that we are now being charged autonomously. The merchant's plan and other metadata details are hosted by the relayer. Let's cancel that subscription and see how that looks in the logs. We can see that we're being charged and that it's been revoked and that has been forwarded to the webhooks. The front end responds to this and hides the content. Please check out the docs for more details on the various components of the system, and in particular the example project repo that integrates with us. The Policy Manager smart contract has three main functionalities: to create a policy, charge that policy, and to revoke it. Arc is the settlement layer, the liquidity hub. Every subscription, every recurring charge, every merchant payout all consolidates on Arc. Gateway is what makes that possible without fragmenting the user experience across different chains. Circle modular wallets worked great. They are the right UX for payments. Passkey auth, no seed phrases, gasless transactions via Paymaster. That's how onboarding should feel. Circle Gateway is what makes the multi-chain actually work. However, what I would like to see improve is the minimum one-way priority fee for the Paymaster isn't set automatically, and I had to manually override the max priority fee per gas, and that tripped me up a little bit. The SDK is a developer-first experience. We provide typed webhooks, the backend integration SDK helper functions, and a relayer engine for merchants to self-host. The MVP is fully functional. We have smart contracts deployed on testnets. The front end is deployed. We have a relayer which merchants can self-host, the merchant SDK for easy integration, example apps, and documentation. So why autopay? Because we charge less, your users keep their keys, and we support over 12 chains. The contracts are deployed, the SDK is on NPM, and the front end is live. This isn't a concept, it's working infrastructure. Autopay, the Stripe for crypto subscriptions. Thank you for watching.